Hey everyone, Neil with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to choose the right size page for your PDF without disrupting your design. Start by opening your PDF design in the PDF Editor. On the right-hand side, click the paint roller icon, also known as a PDF designer. In the Layout tab, you can change the page size to standard options like A3, A4, A5, or letter. You can also switch the page orientation between portrait and landscape, depending on your layout needs. When you change the page size, your content automatically adjusts, your layout, visuals, and styling all stay consistent. This makes it easy to format PDFs for contracts, invoices, certifications, or presentations without starting over. To review the updated layout, click the Preview PDF tab. You'll see your design remains responsive and polished, even after switching sizes. And that's it. Choose the right page size and let Jotform handle the rest. Thank you for watching. Explore more PDF editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.